In this video, we're going to explore how to secure your self-hosting website using NGINX and SSL. First of all, we will log on to my domain name service provider, which is AliCloud. We'll navigate to the control panel. Click the SSL certificate. Navigate to the SSL certificate. Click the free certificate, then create certificate. Then click apply. Fill in the application details for the SSL certificate. In my case, it is blog.huan-huan.cloud. The rest of the information are auto-filled for you, so we can click next. In the next page, click verify. Then click submit. Wait for the application to be processed. It usually takes less than a few minutes. Once the status becomes issued, we can download the SSL private and public key pairs. In this case, we will download the one specifically for NGINX for ease of use later on. Now we have downloaded the key pairs, one of which is the .pam file, which is the public key. The other one is .key file, which is the private key. We'll be transferring these two key files into my local server, which will be hosting the NGINX web server using scp command. Then we will use ssh command to access my local server. Let's check the key files in the server machine. Here you go, the first two files. Let's move the file to the default SSL certificate directory. Which is etc SSL CERTS. Let's change our directory to etc SSL CERTS. We can see on the top left, those files are there. Let's go to the NGINX config file to change the configuration. So cd etc/NGINX. Let's navigate to the site available folder and then open the default file. Let's focus on the first two server directives while I'm adjusting the path of the SSL certificate and keys. So the first server listens to the port 80 and returns a 301 moved permanently to redirect the request to HTTPS request, which falls under the second server directives. The second server directive listens to port 443 SSL. Server name is your domain name. Then we specify the SSL certificate, which is public key path, and SSL certificate key, which is private key path. We also specify the SSL protocols and SSL ciphers. We specify where to look for the website file and default index HTML files. Let's quickly fix the root file with a / in the front. We saved the config file. Let's quickly check on the website file we're gonna be hosting. Yeah, the index file, which looks like this, very basic HTML with a blog in the title and blog content in the body. Last but not least, we have to do a NGINX reload. If we refresh the page, here we go.